Hi, I'm Nora, the Education Manager for the Delaware Center for Horticulture. Today I'd like to talk to you about planting garlic. We plant garlic in the fall just as the rest of your garden is going to bed. So it's a nice sort of end to the season. So depending on your zone, October maybe into November is a really good time to plant your garlic. The first step to this is deciding what kind of garlic you're going to plant. There's two main categories. There's hardneck garlic and softneck garlic. Hardneck garlic has a hard neck, which means it's got a stalk that grows through the center and in the spring puts up something called a scape. So you kind of get two crops out of one. These are good in places that are really cold in the winter. Softneck garlic does not get that scape. It has soft leaves, which are better for braiding. So if you like a garlic braid as a decorative item, this is the kind you want to use. This is not as winter hardy, although you can find varieties that can go up to zones 3 and 4, but you just need to be careful that you're ordering the right variety, one that will take the winter that you have. There's benefits to both. The hardneck garlic has fewer cloves. It has one circular ring of cloves around that central stalk, and those cloves are bigger. The softneck has a lot more cloves, but they are in rings, and the rings in the center have much smaller cloves. Those aren't as easy to cook with because you have to peel these smaller cloves. So I prefer the hardneck garlic, but there's people who prefer the softneck. It's a matter of taste and opinion. You can plant these in the ground, or you can plant them in pots. Pots can be a little bit trickier because they need to be protected for the winter. So someplace like an unheated garage or a really sunny corner of your yard that you can pile them up with leaves and straw to sort of insulate them, those both work well. Besides that, the process is the same. You want to choose garlic that has a nice full head. You want to choose the bigger heads of garlic to plant from. You don't want to choose the small little tiny cloves because those will produce small little tiny heads of garlic for you next year. And then each clove produces one head. So you just break open your heads of garlic, pull out the cloves. You should leave the little papery covering on it. This one has some root. That's fine to leave on. If you get grocery store garlic, like the softneck, that's probably been already trimmed. And then this gets planted about 6 inches apart and about 3 inches deep. I've got a little dibble here that I'll just use to make my hole, push my garlic in, and that's all done. Thanks for watching.